Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix msvcp100.dll was not found for Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you will do is of course simply go to google.com, and from here guys, just simply type in your keyword Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. So just simply search here on the Google, and from here make sure to go into the Microsoft one. So from here just click on it, and after that guys, just simply go ahead and select a language over here that you prefer. So I'm gonna go for English and click on download, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and choose the 64-bit if you are using a 64. And from here guys, just simply download it, and after that just install it into your computer, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And as you can see, we have the install instruction over here as well. You can just simply run the software and you'll be able to install it and choose the save button. And from there guys, you should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, just simply try restarting your computer and you should be able to fix the issue. And guys, I think this should work because this is from Microsoft directly, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, for the second option that you have, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is go to dll-files.com. But guys, be careful because some files over here are malicious and it may have a virus. So guys, if you don't really have a choice and you did everything, the last resort that you have is just simply search your missing DLL files over here, and after that just simply download it, and from there you'll be able to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.